Hi guys, for today's video, I'll be doing an update on Linear Finance and the LINA token. So in my previous video, I took all of the LINA tokens I had and I staked them into this protocol in order to earn some extra income as well as build some LUSD. So the way that Linear Finance works is that you lend them your LINA tokens and you're able to earn some extra income on that. At the same time, they give you 20% in LUSD. And then you can take this LUSD, which is equivalent to $1, and then go onto their exchange and actually buy synthetic assets with it. So that's what I did in the previous video. In today's video, I wanted to update because my pledge ratio has actually fallen below the target. And this pledge ratio, you can just read that right there. But basically, it means that this target is 20% of what you have staked. So in order for me to reach this target again, I will either need to burn some LUSD, which basically means pay back some of my loan, or I will need to stake some more LINA tokens. And in order to burn some LUSD or just pay back the loan so that we can reach the 20% minimum threshold, we just go up here to this burn and then change the this P target ratio down here to 500. And if you think that the price of LINA is going to go down even further than this, then I would suggest doing something like 550, and that means you will have to pay back from the LUSD that you borrowed around 28.06, and this is going to change according to how much you actually have in your debt. So you can press burn now and then it'll ask you to confirm with your MetaMask. I'm not going to do that because what I want to do actually is transfer some more LINA tokens and stake more with them. So let me go over here to my Binance account, and I think somebody asked this in a previous video, how you go from Binance and you transfer it out. So all you want to do is go over here to wallet, fiat and spot, and you can see that it is deposit and withdrawal. So let me just go to my wallet. And then what I'm going to do is search for LINA token right here, and then I'm going to press withdraw. So once you are on this page, we can go back to our MetaMask and copy your MetaMask address. So mine is this one up here. I just renamed my account as Golden Eggs for now. I am just going to paste that onto here and just make sure that your address is correct. The transfer network, I am here. Up here you can see I am on the Binance Smart Chain, and I'm just using Binance Smart Chain because it is cheaper as compared to using Ethereum. So these are just like how you will send it, whether you are using Binance or using Ethereum. But anyways, Binance Smart Chain, there is a small fee, and so we will have to pay that fee. Then the amount, I'm just going to go ahead and hit max. So it's going to transfer out all of my LINA tokens. And then I'm going to just go and press submit and just send the codes to myself. And then once we have pressed withdrawal, we'll just have to wait a little bit up until it appears in our MetaMask. So let me just go back to assets right now and look for my LINA tokens. Yeah, I don't have any. I only have this 6.887, which was what we had last time. So let's just wait a while. Okay, so while we're waiting for the LINA tokens to appear in my MetaMask wallet, I wanted to show you guys here on the dashboard this APY. So we do have a weekly reward, and you can see how much reward you have gotten through this claim area right here. Right now I have 39.59 LINA, and basically that is just like extra that they gave me for staking my LINA. And this is paid out every Wednesday, but you cannot claim it up until you have reached this pledge ratio target of 500. So right now we are going to go back to the builder and then build LUSD. So in order to do that, we are going to stake some more LINA. Let's just check if it has appeared yet in my MetaMask wallet. And it is here. So I now have 1,135 LINA. I'm going to go ahead and stake that in here. This is how it's going, the amount of USD it's going to build, and that is the target ratio. So let's just press build now, and I have to confirm that with MetaMask. There is a fee again. Let's just press confirm. Okay, so the transaction failed, and you can see how much it charged me. It charged me like $2 for that transaction, for that failed transaction. So nothing happened. I don't know why LINA seems to do this quite often. Yeah, the developer should actually look into this. So anyways, let's just try refreshing this and try again. So maybe I need to try to stake a smaller amount, and it's actually quite expensive to keep doing all of these transactions, especially if they fail a lot. I noticed that about LINA. I'm not so sure if it's my internet connection or if it's just really something with their system. So anyways, let's go ahead and try it one more time. Okay, so this time the transaction went through and I was able to stake some extra LINA. So now that I've refreshed this, I've actually reached their pledge ratio, so that's good. Let's go over here to claim and see if I can just claim some of the reward. So I'm just going to go ahead and press claim now. And it's going to ask me again to confirm that on my MetaMask. So let's just confirm that. And we can see that the pledge ratio actually fell down. So I do think that you will need to burn some LUSD. Okay, let's try this instead. Let's just go ahead and burn some LUSD. The only thing that I do not like about LINA is I do feel that there are so many failed transactions on this, and if it's going to cost you like $2 every time, it's really not meant for somebody who isn't going to invest a lot with them, especially since, yeah, my investment is not a whole lot of money as well, as compared to the percentage of what I have been paying in fees is quite expensive. So I'm going to just try to burn some LUSD and see if that works in order to get this pledge ratio a little bit higher. Okay, so my transaction has been processed. I've been able to burn some LUSD, and hopefully, let's just refresh this and see that my pledge ratio is a little bit higher now. Burn just means that you're just paying back some of what you have borrowed in LUSD. So you will have a little bit less debt right here now. Okay, so my pledge ratio is now up, and we can go back to claim and try to claim right now. Let's see, hopefully this works this time. And let's just go ahead and press confirm. Actually, if it's a small amount that you're claiming, sometimes it's not even worth the fees, I feel. But anyways, just for this video, I'm going to try to do it. Okay, so it has been processed, and let's go back to the home page. Okay, let me just refresh all of this. Okay, so reading this wallet balance, I was able to claim the LINA that I earned this week from staking my LINA token. So now I have a total of 4,042 LINA. This is the price of LINA right now on the exchange, and that's the equivalent in US dollar. Then we come here down to liquids. This is the amount that they have loaned me so far. So it's usually about 20%. I think it's a little bit less right now because I did try to bring up this pledge ratio. So this 103.46 LUSD is the amount that they allow me to spend in their exchange. But I did buy some assets already, which is why you see that this debt is a little bit lower. Actually, it means that I've lost money. So you do want your debt to be higher Right now mine is a little bit lower because the asset that I bought has actually gone down in value, and the asset that I bought was actually the Binance coin last week. So if we go over to the exchange, we can see right here total account value is up here, and then once you bring it down, this is the Binance coin that I bought, the amount that it's equivalent to, and the LUSD that I have available still to spend if I want to go ahead and speculate on one of these other assets. But for now, I'm happy just leaving it there. It's perfectly fine. I'm not going to just buy anything just yet. So anyways, that is it for this update. I hope that did help you guys, especially for those of you who were asking what is this pledge ratio and what to do about it. And yeah, I hope it also answers some of your questions on staking and how to get your rewards from staking. If you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you aren't already, consider subscribing to my channel as well. Have a great day, everyone, and I will see all of you in a future video. Bye-bye.